Yo, what up? What's poppin'? It's your boy Q the Flu, Q the Influencer, Big Dog Q. And we back up in this thing with another video. You know what I'm saying? Today your boy wanted to come through with the quick drip, with the quick vlog. You know, kind of let y'all know what, you know, I caught from Supreme Week 1, Spring Summer 19. I mean, it took forever in the day for it to get here, but such is the life of a Supreme, you know what I'm saying, you know, junkie, or former junkie like myself. You know, Supreme tweaking on them taxes, you know what I'm saying, but we're gonna get in that in a minute. But if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button, and make sure you holler at your boy down there in the comments, man. You know, we growing at a steady, you know, a steady pace around here. But I ain't too big to go ahead and interact with, you know, the loyal subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all for coming through, checking out the videos, man. And you know, I want y'all opinions. I want to have that dialogue. I want to have these conversations, man. You know, I'll let your boy. So, as we proceed to give you what you need, let's get right into it. Before we get into anything, man, I want to go through these Supreme items, yo. And by the way, I think we're gonna do our first giveaway, our first real giveaway on the channel, man. You know, I had a goal this month. You know, we wanted to get through, you know, by the end of this month, by the end of March, get to 1,000 subscribers. I know we can do it, man. I want to help us, you know, push this thing a little forward, man. So I think we're gonna give away, you know what I'm saying, something, you know, something out of this haul, man. You know, once we hit that 1,000 subscribers, you know what I'm saying. Y'all gotta follow my IG. I'm gonna post on my IG how y'all can enter that giveaway. But you know, for the sake of what we want, you know, what we want to give away out this bunch, I want y'all to comment below. You know what I'm saying? Tell me in the comments, man, what would y'all like to, what item would y'all like to see out of this haul that I'm about to show y'all that we gonna give away. You know what I'm saying? Once we hit that 1,000 subscribers. You know what I'm saying? Hey, let's get it. First and foremost, man, the boy had the opportunity, you know, we going here. It was pretty easy to cop, you know, that first week. We all know how week 1 goes in the Supreme Nation, Supreme Land. You know, you kind of going, you know, going for broke. Your autofill don't work, you know what I'm saying? I don't use a bot. We team manual boys around here, you know, sort of, you know, unless you don't count the autofill. But, you know, it's all black everything in terms of the Supreme accessories. I committed, and, you know, I committed to, you know, just the all black. So, you know, your boy had to go with that black overdyed Supreme beanie right here. You know what I'm saying? $38. This joint fits really, really nice on the head. Got the little stitch, you know, Supreme BOGO right there. It's gonna stay there forever. Really, really dope piece. You know what I'm saying? Of course, if you ain't already saw, baby, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? We got the Supreme shower cap. You know, the free gift this year. You know what I'm saying? You know, baby girl want me to give her one of these joints. You know, all your baby mamas going crazy out here with the Supreme shower caps. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you black, you already know what time it is. But you definitely got a couple of those, man. These things go crazy. Like, Supreme gets crazy and crazier every year with these free gifts. And this is definitely one that I'm fucking with. As you can see, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, it is what it is. Alright, next. You know, your boy had to cop that, you know, Supreme Master Lock. You know what I'm saying? Hey, man, first dope little accessory of the year. Of course, we all know Supreme come through with the crazy little accessories like this. You know, Big Q Dog, we gonna get in that gym this year. So when I'm locking down my personal items in the gym, I definitely gotta do that with a little bit of swag. This Supreme Master Lock gonna help me do that. I'm happy to have it. You already know. And then last but not least, well, kind of, sort of last but not least, you know what I'm saying, your boy did cop that creeper tee, you know what I'm saying, right here. And that camo colorway, man, the woodland camo colorway, you know what I'm saying? So we don't often get woodland camo or camo tees, period, you know what I'm saying? I think, you know, it's probably been some years before, you know, Supreme has actually did this print in a t-shirt. So, you know, I definitely went for this. I know the black one is kind of doing numbers, but I mean, like, this is a really, really dope graphic. You got that red BOGO, you know, kind of branding going all around. You know, my man Goggles, kind of in the little bow down here. I know you probably can't really see that. You got the little Supreme BOGO going around. You know, it's always about that branding when it comes to these type of tees. I thought it was a really fire tee. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, hey, man, I also had an opportunity, you know, we gotta every season we gotta re-up on, you know, the Supreme underwear drip, you know what I'm saying, the black boxes. We did cop those leopard boxes, but crazy, oddly enough, you know, when I got them things in, yo, like I got the XL, but when I opened up the pack, you know what I'm saying, they sent your boy, it was larges in the XL pack, man. I don't even know how that happened, but it is Hanes, so, you know, I guess that's to be expected. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, that's it for the, you know, the Supreme haul. You know, a little light work, a little slight work. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't trying to go too crazy. But, you know, this week, though, with them young color blocking hoodies, S logo, oh, yeah, we definitely got to have one of those. You know what I'm saying? In the collection. You know, I think I like that orange one with the black hood, purple sleeve. Yeah, I think that's the one right there. You know, we going after that Thursday. I might even do a live cop, man. But y'all let me know, man. Like, yo, let me know in these comment boxes, man, which one of these items I should give away. You know, as we reach and we get closer to that 1,000 subscribers, man, we want to hit our goal by the end of this month. And we definitely gonna make that happen, you know what I'm saying? But you gotta go, I got all my social media information, you know what I'm saying, in this comment, you know, down below. Go to my social media, my IG page, man. Hit that follow button and be on the lookout, baby, because I will be posting the giveaway information on my IG page and how we can enter for this giveaway. But, so yeah, how do we feel about this Supreme sales tax, you know, situation, man? You know, I live in Chicago. Sales tax here is 10.25. I mean, damn. You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't afford to go get a bag. I can barely afford to go get me a bottle of juice, let alone paying that expensive ass sales tax on Supreme items that we already can't get fast enough, that I'm already basically spending the tax with. I gotta get everything shipped individually, and I just think that shit's nuts, man. I know like some little law in Denver, you know, kind of made it crazy, you know what I'm saying? So now Supreme like charging sales tax on everything. I just think that it's really gonna bring down the shopping experience, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, and I don't know, man. Supreme just kind of slid that in there, man. Like, I kind of, you know, I'll show you the screenshots. I put it somewhere up there, you know, but like, it's not even bad enough that the sales tax, you know what I'm saying, that they add sales tax to the joint, but the sales tax is even more, but the Supreme sales tax is even more expensive than it would be if I was just buying it at the crib without high sales tax. Like, how does that work, Supreme? Come on, man. Yeah, I love y'all, but y'all gotta get y'all together, yo. It just ain't gonna rock. But I'm still gonna get that hoodie this week, though. Better believe that. You know what I'm saying? But, you know, y'all let me know how y'all feel about that new sales tax down in the comment section below, man. Next order of business, man. Yo, so official images released this weekend, you know, over the weekend for the new Air Fear God 1s. You know what I'm saying? Now, you know your boy, Kill the Flu, we definitely went on ahead and scooped, you know, the bone gray pair, you know, when it came out a couple of months ago. You know what I'm saying? I'm in love with that shoe, in love with that model. If you ain't got a pair, one of the more comfortable Nikes that have released in some years, yo. And it just looks good, you know, in any type of, you know, regular clothes that you might want to wear, man. Really, really dope shoe. If you can't already tell, yo, man, orange is my color this year, so I'm all over those orange pairs. We're gonna put it, you know, wherever. We're gonna put it somewhere. I'm all over these, yo. I can see it now, baby. That fluorescent orange in the summer. You know what I'm saying? Just popping out here. Just killing the game. You know, Virgil already got orange lit with all the white shit. Why would these be any different, baby? In the see-through joint, the see-through cages, the fluorescent sole, these are gonna be it. Especially since I didn't get those all orange, all white Timberland boots. I'm definitely gonna do what I gotta do to get these, man. But it's crazy because it's like, you know, it's kind of like mixed feelings, man. You know, I don't understand where all the hate coming from, baby. It's not like Nike does crazy colors like this on especially hype Nikes, you know, very often, baby. And I just feel like we can't be afraid, you know, to try different, man. To try to step outside our comfort zone, man. Jerry Lorenzo, Nike, they giving us something new, you know what I'm saying, with just these crazy colorways, man, they ain't never been seen. You know, I think it's funny Everybody was hyped up about, you know, these Yeezys, these gold Yeezys. I put them up somewhere, you know, in the screen here. But we hating on the, you know, they kind of the same colorways of the Air Fear guys, man. So we gotta make up our mind, you know, when it comes to like what's fire and what's not fire, man. I think they dope. I can't wait for them to come out. You know what I'm saying? But y'all, I mean, hey man, to each his own, yo. So y'all let me know in the comment box how y'all feel about, you know, them Air Fear guys. Man, I'm excited for them. I think they're gonna be dope. But as always, it's your boy Q, Q the Flu, Q the Influencer. You already know how we rockin'. We got the giveaway finna go poppin'. Let me know in that comment box, you know, what y'all wanna see, what y'all want. And you already know. Gang, 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 gang. Yeah.
The Chicago.